Aloha Aina. I'm Ehu Kekahu Cardwell with the Kiwane Foundation here on Free Hawaii TV, a part of the Free Hawaii Broadcasting Network. Well, the screws are beginning to tighten at the Office of Hawaiian Affairs. How? Let's take a look. OHA's LLCs, or limited liability corporations, are coming under intense scrutiny for financial wrongdoing in the ongoing forensic audit. Because of this, the OHA trustees recently moved to investigate and replace the managers of all their LLCs, and those on whom the screws are now tightening are trying to convince anyone who will listen that there's no wrongdoing at all. Really? Let's take a look at just one example. Hi'ilei Aloha is one of OHA's LLCs. According to Hawaii Free Press, a publicly available Form 990 from the U.S. Internal Revenue Service shows that for the year 2015, a for-profit Kauai Poi company received pass-through funding from OHA's Hi'ilei Aloha LLC via another nonprofit called Supporting the Language of Kauai Incorporated for this amount of dollars. Hawaii Free Press also reported that according to Hawaii Department of Commerce and Consumer Affairs records, Davis Price, who was office manager for OHA trustee Dan Ahuna, was this. But wait, because this gets way more interesting. According to Kapiko versus OHA, a lawsuit filed in 2014, OHA insiders looted the Poi Mill's assets and used the Poi Mill as an excuse to transfer nearly $1 million of OHA's assets to themselves. In this lawsuit, both OHA CEO Kamana'o Crab and OHA LLC manager Mona Bernardino were named as defendants. That's what they've all been saying, yet they have steadfastly refused open records requests for OHA's LLC checkbooks to be seen by the public. Watch what happens as the screws tighten further. Now, if you think this information is important, share this Free Hawaii TV video with all your friends online. That's how you can support a Free Hawaii. I'm Ehu Kekahu Cardwell with the Kiwane Foundation, right here on the Free Hawaii Broadcasting Network.